Hello, this is a quick video that we're talking. Today we install a CarPlay interface into this 2017 Mercedes Vito V-Class. And actually now the CarPlay is connected wirelessly with my iPhone. It's running without cable here. It's connected. And all the function is you can control through the Mercedes original settings. So we have the Waze, Google Maps, and because Spotify is not in my phone, so it's supposed to be here if you have installed a Spotify app in your phone. And now here I want to show you the Waze. Okay. So you can just search the destination. You can click this button, you can search through. This is your history, and of course also from your keyboard here if you want to. And now I just select one of the destination that I in my history before. Okay, start working now. And next I want to talk about the factory camera. This car comes with a 360 camera, so I engaged my gear to reverse now, showing the factory camera. Okay, off it now. So how I disconnected this CarPlay from the car is all I need to do is just a simple press, hold it from here, give it back to the factory setting.